Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still believe this is an uptrend, most likely an A. I still think this is an A, B, C, or B, and I still think this is a wave C. We definitely turned into 78% Fibonacci level, as you can see. Nice big impulsive move to the downside. I still believe this is the end of a correction, and if that is true, then this will, over the coming months and maybe even years, end up continuing the downtrend, probably eventually going all the way down and taking out this low over here. So let's head down to the weekly time frame, which is where I like to switch back to the FXCM dollar index. On that dollar index, I do think that this is a downtrend, most likely a 1, possibly an A. I think this is 3 waves up, most likely a 2, but possibly a wave B. And I think we're going down now for either a wave C, which I believe a wave C would look like this, or possibly a wave 3, which a wave 3 would be very, very similar, except for it would most likely continue to make lower lows and lower highs. So whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3 is definitely not important to us right now. I think that we just need to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, I still believe that we have the end of an ABC correction back here. This right here to me looks like a trend, like a wave 1. I still think this is an ABC like a wave 2, and I think that this is just going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs for that wave 3. I do believe this move up right here is a correction to this last wave down, and it will eventually end that correction and keep on trending down. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, even though this is a higher high right here than the wave 3, I do think that this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think this first move up is an A. I think we're probably in a wave B, and it's going to go up at least one more time for a wave C. I think it's going to go up to at least a 50, maybe even to 61.8, but I think more likely to 50, which will also retest that trend line. And then most likely that's where it's going to make an impulsive move down, break structure, and end up continuing the downtrend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I believe this right here is a trend for the A. We may have already made 3 waves down for the wave B. I definitely do see 3 waves there. If that's true, that means we're probably already going to start making higher highs, higher lows for that wave C. I think the 50% area around the 12,775 area is the most likely place to end the wave C. If it does go up there, if it does bounce off that, if it does break structure, that's exactly what's going to tell us that we have the end of a correction and most likely the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.